Weather update as of July 20th, 2024, 9 a.m.
Patuloy ang pag-ulan sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa dahil sa epekto ng ITCZ at ng habagat o southwest monsoon na may mga cyclogenesis o mahihinang sirkulasyon sa loob nito.
The cloud cluster from yesterday has now developed into a tropical depression Carina. It is located near 16.3 degrees north, 128.5 degrees east of central Luzon, over Philippine Sea, and is tracking west-northwest to northwest toward extreme northern Luzon and the Taiwan area at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. The maximum sustained winds near the center are 55 kilometers per hour, with gustiness reaching 85 kilometers per hour. Further intensification is expected within the next 36 hours. The 4 to 5 days forecast trajectory of Tropical Depression Carina.
Posibleng lalakas pa ito sa loob ng 36 hours o habang nasa east of northern Luzon o sa Philippine Sea bago lalabas ng Philippine Area of Responsibility sa July 24. Patuloy ito nagbabanta sa extreme northern Luzon, Taiwan, at Ryukyu Island. Hindi ito nakikitang direkta tatama sa bansa, pero hahatakin nito ang habagat o ang southwest monsoon simulan ngayong araw na makakaapekto sa malaking bahagi ng Luzon, including Palawan.
Tropical Depression Butchoy, formerly known as the 91W system, has intensified. It is located near 15 degrees north, 115 degrees west of Luzon, over West Philippine Sea, and is tracking northwest to north-northwest toward Hainan, southern China, at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. The maximum sustained wind near the center is 55 kilometers per hour, with gustiness reaching 85 kilometers per hour. The 4 to 5 days forecast trajectory of Tropical Depression Butchoy.
Ito ay magiging tropical storm habang ito ay papuntang Hainan, southern China. Hahatakin nito ang habagat o ang southwest monsoon na makakaapekto sa malaking bahagi ng Luzon, including Palawan. Ang mga nasabing mga storm system ay patuloy babantayan sa mga posibleng pagbabago sa mga susunod na mga araw.
Disclaimer: bilang independent weather forecasting page, gamitin lamang ito bilang reference page. Donate any amount at GCash number 0945-322-4311 to improve our forecasting in the near future. Stay safe.